Yep, they're really good guard. Good guard.
Kung gusto mo nung...
Yo, look southeast.
Yung
Southeast.
item yung ano nila.
People, southeast now, southeast now. And come back fast, 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 come back fast. Come back
Wala
fast, come
nila
back
si Buay ni Buay.
50%, 50%, 50%, 30, 30, 30,
Come fast, come fast, 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 fast. Mutsin,
30,
mutsin,
30,
mutsin.
30.
Come southwest now. Guys, come here. Here. Hug the wall here, hug the wall here, hug the wall here. Come west more, come west more. They're gonna hit soon, guys, okay? Hold.
Namatay yung ano mo shadow collar mo.
Nitex, how the fuck did you die?
Sige pa, patay rin.
I died.
How did you guys die?
One shot.
Namatay yung
Busy
8 point rin natin. Ang lupit.
Yung solo bomb na Bridal.
Nabigay ng gear.
Guided zone. Eh, purgatorio, naka-AP lang.
Hold. Just hold. Are they right now? Are they breaking the gate?
Yes,
They're breaking the
yes.
gate.
Breaking sila ng southwest. Breaking sila ng southwest.
Tira na.
Going sila ng ano.
Guys, come northeast. Yo, northeast on me ready? Hold. Wait. Just wait.
60%.
Yo, northeast. 4, 3, 2, northeast now. Hit this. Come back fast. Let me know if they're gonna engage, okay? Wait. Come southwest.
50, 40.
Okay, come southwest. Come southwest.
Come with me sa...
Come
Come
south.
with me na southwest.
Okay, did they engage? Okay, walk in. Walk. Brawler. Find me. Defend. Find me. Yo, keep brawling. I need heals. Come southeast. On me. On my count, Gary. 5, 4, 3, 2, out. Everything on my count. Hit this. And brawl. Just brawl. Full brawl. Spread and brawl. Defend. Potion. Yo, find me southeast. Keep walking southeast. Brawl them southeast. Come southeast. Full push them southeast. Southeast ready in the gate. 5. Wait. Keep walking. On my count. 5, 4, 3, 2, everything my count. Hit this. Walang damage. Yo, try to run. Go back to the castle. Try to run. No damage. Go castle. Regroup in the hideout. Go run. Regroup in the hideout. Yo, I've already did it. Pre, pag... Yo, just regroup in the castle. I mean...
Mount up. Don't hit. Sujan, don't hit na.
No,
Namatay
but...
din kagad yung ano mo, 1K. Namatay din kagad yung ano mo. Nasa front sila. Walang nagbantay ng ano nila, nung gate.
Sino yung mga brawlers? Dapat yung brawlers nasa, baba yan. Hindi yun sasabay sa yung mga brawlers, hindi sasabay sa main zerg. Engage dun sa likod. Sa baba ng castle yan.
Sa labas nakapatin sila.
Kay, andyan ka ba, Kay?
Sa may yung sa may na break gates.
Balik, go back to yeah. We have friendly fight.
Nagtatanong Kay ang Agila kung nakamaslaw tayo.
Sabi mo may fight.
Sige.